Today we're making these chicken teriyaki pineapple meatballs. These are loaded with flavor and they're so easy to make. Hi, I'm Tara with Simply Made Eats and welcome to my channel. Today we're making these chicken teriyaki pineapple meatballs. It is a mouthful to say, but I promise they're super simple to make. This makes a great appetizer. It's also great for an easy weeknight dinner. They only take about 40 minutes to make from start to finish. And you can also put them in the crock pot, which is always fun. That way, if you have like a busy night, if you've got soccer practice and all the things like I always do, you can stick them in the crock pot, make some rice on the side, and you've got dinner in just a few minutes. The first thing we wanna do is get our meatballs ready. So we're just gonna be chopping up 1 clove of garlic. We also need 2 teaspoons of grated ginger. We wanna have this ready. We need 1 teaspoon for the meatballs. We're gonna save 1 teaspoon for our sauce. We're also gonna preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Next, we're gonna add 1 pound of ground chicken into a bowl. You can also use ground turkey for this recipe. Then we're gonna take our ginger and garlic and go ahead and dump that in. We also have 1 egg. We're gonna add in some seasonings. I've got granulated garlic, ginger, salt, and pepper. And everything is linked in the description. And then we've got a 1/2 cup of panko. The panko is crucial in this recipe because there's a lot of moisture in these meatballs. Ground chicken in general just has like a lot of juice in it. So then you're just gonna go ahead and combine all of these ingredients. You can use your hands or a spoon. Then we're gonna roll these meatballs into balls. You wanna go ahead and line a cookie sheet with some parchment paper. Just a couple tips for rolling the meatballs. You wanna roll them into like medium-sized balls so that they don't take forever to cook. Also, these are pretty sticky on your hands. Ground chicken in general is just like that. So you wanna go ahead and wash your hands about halfway through just to get some of the meat off. Also, the less you handle these meatballs, the better you are. You wanna try and just like roll them up really quick and then just go ahead and put them on the parchment paper. You should make between 15 and 16 meatballs. These are gonna bake until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees, which usually takes between 15 and 20 minutes. As our meatballs are cooking, we're gonna go ahead and cut up some additional ingredients. I like to use pineapple and onion on the side of the meatballs, like to toss over rice, but these are optional. We're also gonna be chopping up some green onion, which is just to top the meatballs. So these are all just extra things. You don't have to use them if you don't want to, but they are yummy. So the first thing we're gonna do is chop up our pineapple. And I know pineapple sometimes can be really intimidating for people, but they're so easy. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. I just cut the top off first. Then I chop the bottom off. Then you've got this base. So when you turn it around like this, it's super easy just to shave the edges of the pineapple off. Just do a little bit, then we'll go around one more time and get those extra pieces. Then you just take your knife and just finely slice off whatever else you need to do. We've got this center part right here. We just wanna go ahead and cut as close as we can down it. I like to do like 4 cuts. So you end up with the core like this. Then you can just go through and just chop this up. And I'm only gonna use about half of this pineapple. There's a lot of it and I want it to all fit in the skillet. So I'm just gonna save half of it in a container so we can just pick at it throughout the week. We also wanna cut our onion into chunks, and then we're gonna cut our green onion on a bias, just in little slices. This is just to top the chicken meatballs. It just makes it really pretty and brings in a lot of color. I've got a skillet here. I'm gonna heat this up to medium. My eyes are watering from the onion. I'm gonna heat this up just to medium heat. I just wanna give the onions a saute on here, and I'm gonna add the pineapple in after. We're gonna start with just a 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil in the skillet. You wanna use a large skillet for this. Then we're gonna add our onions in and just get them nice and softened. Go ahead and add the pineapple. We're just gonna cook this for a few minutes, just so everything's nice and tender. Then you're just gonna go ahead and transfer this onto a plate. We're gonna use the same skillet for our sauce. Our meatballs are all finished. We're gonna let these sit in the oven while we make our sauce. For our sauce, we're gonna start with some soy sauce. We've got rice vinegar and pineapple juice. Then we're gonna add in hoisin, some honey for sweetness, sriracha for spice, and fresh ginger. Stir this up until it's all combined, and then we wanna put this on a medium heat. You wanna allow this to really bubble up and get really nice and thick before you add your meatballs. Next, you're gonna toss the meatballs in the sauce and then add the pineapple and onions. If your kids are picky, you can leave these on the side, but I like them all together. Lastly, we're just gonna top these with some green onions and sesame seeds to make it look beautiful. That's it, we're all done with these chicken teriyaki pineapple meatballs. I hope you guys love this recipe. Let me know in the comments if you decide to make it. Make sure to give this video a like and make sure to subscribe for new recipe videos every single week. I love sharing them with you. Thanks so much, bye.